Hello and welcome to a new lesson. We will learn together how to install OpenSSH on Windows operating system. First, let's download the Windows installer package of OpenSSH for Windows from MLS software website. Open your browser and type the following URL: www.mlssoftware.com/openSSHD.html. Now press enter to go to the download page. Now we are in the OpenSSH for Windows download page. Scroll down to the last version, which is OpenSSH 6.9 P1-B, and go to the download link. Right click the link here and choose save link as, and choose where to save the file. I will save the file on the desktop. Then I will click on the save button to save the file in desktop. Now let me close the browser and bring the OpenSSHD file to the recording area. Now double click on the setup SSH icon to start the installation process. The installation process is very easy and it will take a few steps to finish the installation. As you see, the first step is clicking next. Then as usual we will read the license agreement and select I accept the terms of the license agreement. Then click next. Now select the components to install. I will leave it as it is because I want to install all components. Now click next. From here you can change the destination folder for the installed files. To change the destination folder for the installed files, click on browse and choose your destination folder. But I will leave the destination folder as it is and I will click next. Leave the start menu as it is and click next. Select run as local_system and click next. From here you can change the SSH port. I will leave it on the default port, which is port 22, and click next. From here you can choose the key size. I will also leave this on the default size and click next. Select the local users and click next. Now SSH is installing on your system. As you see, the installation process has been completed. Click on finish. Okay, now let's do a test on the OpenSSH for Windows. Open the command prompt and type this command to connect to a remote machine via SSH from Windows operating system. Type SSH root at 192.168.8.54. Now press enter. Now enter the root password for the remote machine. Press enter. As you see, you are now connected to the remote host via SSH and you are connecting from a Windows machine. To exit from the remote host, type exit and press enter. As you see, the connection to the remote host closed. And by that we have seen how to install OpenSSH on Windows. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.